root system. Strong, actually very strong root system. The only reason I know if this is good, this one, the sprout is started sprouting very good. System is actually very good. It is in the pot right now. I'm not putting it in. This year has a lot of fruits. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. So I'm too lazy to go get the zip tie. Don't put it all the way down here. That's one of the problems. We're gonna run into more room for the root to grow into. But really good cut. Okay, so this right here, make sure it stay nice. Then cut around here. Peel. All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a very long time since I upload, so I'm gonna show you how to air layering a jujube tree. Okay, so jujube tree is one of the hardest plant. It took me actually several years to figure out how to air layering it. So this is my main one. I think this is the leaf variety, and this year has a lot of fruit. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how. And I actually I'm doing this video because I actually successfully air layering a couple plants from this. So this is why I'm showing you guys how to do it. I've done it in the past, trying to air layer it for several years. It didn't work out, and that's one mistake that I did wrong, and I'm gonna show you how to fix that. Okay, all right, so what you need to do is just cut about 4 inch, 3 to 4 inches. Longer is fine. Sometimes you can do like all the way up to like 8 or 9 inches is okay too, but you don't really need to cut that much. And then cut around here, peel off the skin, and then shave it down a little bit. Okay, so if you see this right here, try not to have that around, but instead of you can shave it all the way and all around. Okay, so you're going to make sure the edge around here is actually nice and clean. So basically you're gonna cut through a really good cut. Okay, so this right here, make sure it stay nice and good all around. Okay, and even you have a little piece like this, you need to shape it out too. All right, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. All right, so after you cut the tree, after you cut this right here, and you're gonna prepare, leave it out for an hour, and then prepare your soil bags right here. Something, you know, about this big is good, but I have a little more over here. That's fine too. More room for the root to grow into, but that will be fine. What I did is put some root grower solution in here, put water in there, and then add my soil, mix it, leave it out for about 15 minutes for all the water to soak into the soil. And I'm gonna prepare to put this on top. Okay, so what I did is put a zip tie right here, put the bags through, and make sure it's right in between. Okay, make sure it's in between the cutting, so don't put it all the way down here. That's one of the problem we're gonna run into later. I'm gonna explain that in a little bit. Okay, and I'm gonna cover it up all the way up here. The roots will start growing around this area right here. All right, so this is the finished product. I need to tie another rope right here, so I'm too lazy to go get a zip tie, but as is the finished product. Okay, all right, so here is one of the plant that I actually successfully air laying from that tree right here, and this has been in the pot for the last, I would say, about a couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks, and it's lived perfectly. The root system is actually very good. It is in the pot right now. I'm not putting it on the ground yet until the root is actually fully grow from this plant before I move it down to the ground next spring. Okay, this is one of it. I'm gonna show you the other two. All right, so here is another one, and then the other. Okay, so these two right here are from the air layering too, and I actually cut it down so you know it lived very good, because the root system is smaller than the one I just showed you. the bigger one, so that's why I cut it down, but it lived perfectly. Okay, this one, the sprout is started sprouting very good. That one lived very good. 3 weeks ago, this was inside a small pot like this, and it works. I'm experiencing a lot of things around this corner right here. A couple of plants is living, you know, a lot of living. After my mistake of or actually I'm trying to learn how to air layering this tree right here, I have successfully show you guys the 3 plants that I did. And so after that I did a couple more. Okay, so one right here, one more there, and you see the fruit size is so big. Look at that, the fruit is so big. See, there's so many of it. Okay, so 2 more right here, and let's go to this size. I have 3 more doing that the same time. 1, 2, 3, the same with the other 2. And then this is the one that I just did to show you guys how I did it right there. Okay, so my only mistake from preventing the root to grow because the skin from the top will regrow back to the bottom of the cutting. Okay, that's why the root system does not grow in from the top where you supposed to cut. Okay, so this is exactly what I did, and this should work just fine on the other 2. Okay, so my cutting is all the way up here, right? One here and one all the way down here. So I tie it right where where the cuttings are at, right here. Okay, so that way when you wrap up your soil right here, there's no moisture from the top cut of cutting to the bottom of the cutting, and the skin won't regrow. Okay, so if you mistakenly doing that, they will rejoin the skin, and then there's no root system. The only reason I know if this is good because there's no skin around here that connected to the top, and the branch live perfectly. Okay, let me show you. Even okay, so that's the one, and that is the plant right there. The fruits grow very well, even though I put a little bit of soil right there. Make sure it's moisture all the time. And so, and by doing that, you can check to see if there's moisture inside of the bag. That's perfectly fine. If not, you can try to get a syringe and then kind of inject it some water on the top of here, and then it will just sip down to the bottom. Okay, this one I tied it up, but the bags kind of cover up a little bit, but there's no moisture coming down here. The same with this bags right here. So my bag is actually tied all the way up here, and then it just, this is an extra that goes down over the bag, so roots can have more room to grow into. Okay, and that is the main thing. And another thing is you need to do this in the afternoon. Okay, late afternoon like this. Like right now is almost 9 o'clock. That's when I do the other one. I'm not sure why, but I guess the weather is better right now. You know, today is about 97 degrees outside, but then right now is about 83 degrees out. So it is better to do it in the afternoon. For some reason, I have done in the past in the morning time, noon time, it does not work, but afternoon time seems to work really well. So that's why I'm showing you guys now. Okay, so yeah, that is how I do mine. I mean, it works really well. All right guys, so good luck, and hopefully you guys can do the same. And this year I'm gonna have like at least 7 or 8 more jujube tree plant in my yard, okay? And yeah, I wish you got the best. I'm very sure the other 5 or 6 that I did is gonna have a root system, strong, actually very strong root system, because the plants live really well. The leaves, you know, everything is look great. So I'm gonna have at least 5 or 6 more from this cutting right here. All right guys, good luck, and hopefully it helps some of you guys out there.